Right, so this is going to be a whole body movement to create a lot of side bending and rotation in the spine. So we're going to build on the side bending exercise that we've done in the previous video. Bring the right arm up and just reach towards the ceiling. That's just the starting point. From there, as you reach up, I want you to allow your pelvis to travel over to that right hand side. So the movement that we're getting here is driven a lot by the movement of the pelvis. So in this position, as you reach up, you should feel the pelvis move over to the right, your weight travel into that right leg, and this left leg should be almost weightless. You should be able to lift it up and move it around if you want to. So you're just going to get that movement really ingrained, get comfortable with that movement, creating a lot of shift through the pelvis. And once you're happy with that movement, what we can then do is add this hand in. So as you reach up with the right hand, reach forward with the left. Make sure you keep the pelvis moving. And what we're creating is a side bend and a twist. So keeping the palm up and just rotate, pushing it as far forward as you can. If you're getting any twinging in the back where you're overextending, then just try and keep a slight bend in the knees so that as you come over, you're allowing the pelvis to stay in a more neutral position. Sometimes when we have our knees locked, you get this arch in your back. With a knee bend, you can create a much flatter position. So if that does happen, then try bending the knees. But the movement is going to start with this right hand up, shift the pelvis over to the right, feel your weight come into your right foot, and then you can stretch forward with that left hand. So on the left side, what that's going to look like is left arm up, reach up to start with, just try and get that movement. And once you're used to that, trying to shift the pelvis over to the left as well. So we're shifting all the way over to the left, weight onto the left leg and out of this right leg. And once you're comfortable with that, you can add in the right hand. Really try and get those movements to the end of your comfort range. So you should feel as you move the pelvis over, these tissues will stretch on the outside of the hip. You might get a stretching down the inside of the leg, down this side of left side of the ribs. So as you come over, you're getting full range. And just moving in and out of that comfortably. Again, 10 or 12 repetitions, and you can add that on to the initial movement that we started just with the side reaches and the knee bends. So it's just built on from that.